Alrighty, Dan, here's one of your 427s. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our heads on it. Got the Pro-Am manifold, Holley EFI. Great system. Got the blacked out front end, alternator, make sure it charges for you, custom ground hydraulic roller. The front sump pan. Go in there and make a run, show you what it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3400, it's 499 foot-pounds torque, peaks torque 530, peaks horsepower 539, so everything's good. Next thing we'll do, we'll pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust's good and clean for you, and I'm going to show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive the engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card full of information. It's got your engine build specs, pictures, dyno video, a lot of technical stuff there. So highly recommend plug it in, watch it. Have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. And also on the engine will be this tag. Have your engine number, valve lash specifications, firing order, engine timing, balance, things of that nature. Definitely hold on to this. If you need any information, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Have a great day.